Struggling with tough customers and brand loyalty? Wouldn't it be great to turn complaints into compliments and keep customers happy? Welcome to Fix It or Fail It. We provide effective customer service hacks, role plays of real experiences, and tips for handling tough situations. Plus, insights into AI and chatbots for the future of support. How it works. At Fix It or Fail It, we use engaging scenarios to demonstrate solutions in action. Plus, you'll learn to create unforgettable customer experiences. Following our channel means strategies to thrive in customer service, building loyalty, and retaining customers. Sounds great? Hit subscribe and join us.